Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start earning money by selling t-shirts online. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can start making money by selling t-shirts online. So before I get into this video, I just want to say if you guys are brand new to my channel and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into this video. So you might be thinking that you need a whole lot of money to invest up front if you want to start making money by selling t-shirts. But you can actually make money selling t-shirts if you have little to no money to start out with. Now you can do this by using a print-on-demand service. So basically what this is where you upload an image of a t-shirt design and then you list that t-shirt for sale online. So whenever somebody purchases your shirt, you don't have to pay any money for the production of the t-shirt until they actually order that shirt. So it's like a pay-as-you-go type of service. So let me jump over to my computer to show you guys a few different websites that you can use to make money selling t-shirts online. Alright, you guys, so the first website that I want to talk about is a website called Teespring. So this is a website where you can actually create a storefront and then start uploading designs for your t-shirts. So once you upload a design for your t-shirt, you're just going to simply market it on your social media profiles. If you have a YouTube channel, you can also link this with your YouTube channel to direct people to buy your t-shirts. So basically when somebody comes to your store on Teespring and they purchase a t-shirt that you have, then the people at Teespring, they're going to print that shirt and then they're going to ship it out to the customer. So if you want to learn a little bit more about Teespring and how it works, all you have to do is just come to the website and just learn how to start selling. So with Teespring, you're not only limited to selling t-shirts, there's a bunch of different items that you can upload your design to as well, such as pants, sweaters, hats, phone cases. There's a whole bunch of varieties that you can go with on this website, even coffee mugs. So basically Teespring is a great website for anybody who's on a limited budget, and then you can basically use their platform to get people to see your products. So if you go over here to where it says how it works, we click on that. That's going to basically show you everything that they provide. So basically all the work that you have to do is create a product. You probably will have to market your product a little bit, and then you basically collect the profits whenever somebody buys your product. So it shows you what they do. They market, they boost, they use marketing to promote your product on their platform. They fulfill your order, they print it, they ship it out to the customer, and they also handle the customer service. And then you collect your profit. Now, another website that I want to talk about is called Shopify. Now, most of you have probably heard about this platform already, but if you're not familiar, Shopify is like the go-to place for selling e-commerce products. This is where you're going to build an e-commerce website from scratch. And if you're not too tech savvy, if you don't know how to design websites, you don't have to learn anything like HTML or JavaScript in order to build a Shopify website. Everything is user friendly. Now, Shopify isn't free. They do charge a basic plan of $29 a month, and it goes up from there. But the more money that you spend a month, the more features and benefits that you're going to get. But if you're not sure if you want to use Shopify, they do have a 2-week free trial that you can use just to see if you like Shopify, if this is something that you would be interested in just going further with. Now, once you create your e-commerce website with Shopify, you're going to need to use a third-party platform in order to print your shirts and ship them out to the customers. So the two platforms that I would recommend is Printify and also Printful. So you can actually link these to your Shopify website. These two websites get notified anytime a customer places your order on your Shopify website. So let's say, for example, I create a Shopify e-commerce store and then I link it to my Printful account where I have it set up. So anytime somebody buys a t-shirt from my Shopify store, it lets Printful know that, hey, somebody bought my t-shirt. So what they're going to do is they're going to print that t-shirt and they're going to ship it out to the customer. So this is a pretty cool method to use if you have a limited budget and you just want to try out the t-shirt business to see if it's something that you would be interested in. Okay, so the third website that I wanted to show you guys is Merch by Amazon. Now, Merch by Amazon is probably the best platform to be using because Amazon is used by millions of people every day. So I mean, I don't really need to explain how popular Amazon is. But if you choose to go with Merch by Amazon, I mean, this is the best way, in my opinion, to get started by selling t-shirts. So the way that this works with Merch by Amazon is the same way that it's going to work with Teespring, or if you're using a Shopify website to sell t-shirts. You're going to upload your artwork, you're going to set a price that you want to sell the t-shirt for, and then once somebody buys that shirt, the people at Amazon, they're going to print that shirt and they're going to ship it out to the customer with Amazon Prime shipping. So that's pretty cool. So your customer gets their t-shirt in like a day or two. So if you want more information, you can go to Merch by Amazon and they're going to explain how it works. So you're going to earn royalties anytime somebody purchases a t-shirt that you have posted. You don't have to worry about inventory, because that's the cool thing about using print-on-demand services. It's a pay-as-you-go service. So you're not going to be stuck with hundreds or dozens of t-shirts sitting in your garage or your closet or something like that. Everything is all print on demand. Now, the cool thing about Merch by Amazon is that you're leveraging their audience to sell your t-shirts. So you don't really have to do too much marketing to get people to see your t-shirts. People are going to just see your t-shirts organically, because there's millions and millions of people coming to Amazon every day. Now, the last website that I wanted to talk about is using eBay. Now, eBay is a great website to sell print-on-demand t-shirts as well. The way that you would do it is the same process. You're going to create a design, and then you're going to list that design on eBay for sale, and then you're going to use a third-party platform to have your print-on-demand shirts fulfilled whenever somebody purchases your shirts. So basically, when you're using a print-on-demand service to sell t-shirts, I mean, you're basically risking nothing, because it doesn't cost anything to upload a design unless you're having somebody else design a t-shirt for you. Now, a few tips that I wanted to share with you guys is that if you're thinking about using a print-on-demand service to sell t-shirts online, you have to factor in the cost that it takes to print that shirt and have it shipped out to the customer. So you have to add your commission on top of that. Usually when you're using a third-party service to print your t-shirts, they let you know how much you have to charge if you want to make a $10 profit, $11, $12 profit, $15 or $20 profit. So sometimes if you want to make a $10 profit on a t-shirt, you might have to sell that t-shirt for $25 to $30. Because print on demand is more expensive as opposed to if you're going to be going with screen printing. But the good thing about print on demand is that you don't have to have a minimum amount of shirts printed. You can just have one printed at a time. If you're going to use silk screen printing, I mean, that's going to be for orders that's going to be like for 50 t-shirts or more. Now, another tip that I wanted to share with you guys is to focus on trending topics that are going on right now. Since you're going to be using a print-on-demand service, you're not investing any money to have shirts printed. So you can always change your design if a trend is going out of style. So a good example is the Area 51 raid that just passed a couple of days ago. And it was pretty disappointing. It looks like there was only a few hundred people that actually went. But originally there was like 1.2 million people who said they were going to go on the Facebook group. And this was like back in July. And that would have been the best time to create like Area 51 t-shirts. So if we look on eBay and we type in Area 51 shirts, we're going to see there's a few people who are selling Area 51 shirts. So all these people were taking advantage because they seen that this was a trending topic. So they just made print on demand Area 51 shirts. So I'm pretty sure most of these people aren't investing any money. They just created a design and then they just uploaded it onto eBay. This one's actually pretty cool right here. But if you notice, there's a lot of people who are taking advantage of this trend. But I mean, right now the trend is pretty much over because that Storm Area 51 event just passed a couple of days ago. And I mean, I don't really expect too many people to buy these shirts anymore. So be on the lookout for trends that you think are going to take off and try to jump on them early. Because if you wait until you see a lot of people jumping on that trend, usually, I mean, that's when the trend is about to be over. They don't usually last too long. I mean, so that's basically it. Alright, you guys, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. And as I mentioned earlier in the video, if you guys are new to my channel and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.